Introducing our Velocity Plotter Technica. The Technica model comes in a one head using an HP45 cartridge. This plotter was designed for your pre-production pattern rooms, plotting up to 49 inches wide. This plotter features high printing speed, starting at 25 to 35 yards per hour. Our plotters are compatible to most CAD softwares, printing files like HPGL, PLT, DXF, DWG, and some PDF file formats. This plotter connects with USB cable or LAN connections. The Technica model can hold a 400-yard roll of paper, plotting up to 150 yards to the take-a bar continuously. Or it can also print onto the floor without using the take-a bar. When plotting onto the floor, it is used when plotting a small run. For example, a marker that is about 5 to 10 yards. There is no need to plot up to the take-a bar when plotting a small run.